is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Nasty Net channel. Today, God, what is that? What is that? What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Nasty Net channel. Today, we got an interesting one for you. This is happening. Let's get it out of the box. Just kind of set this thing down. That's right. It's a 5-inch to 8-inch stack, and we're putting it on the Duramax. Stay tuned. Boys, look at this tip. Subscribe to Nasty Nate. All I did was set this thing in the bed about where I want it to go. Man, that's gonna look nasty. Probably shouldn't say badass. Maybe I can, I don't know. I'm liking the way this thing is looking already. This is just an eBay unit. It is, I think it's 3 feet tall. And we gotta do some cutting in the bed. Brought some good tools for that. All right, we're only using the proper cutting equipment. We really like to use Craftsman chainsaws because whenever they blow up, you just throw them away. But got some old mix gas in this thing. I'm gonna see how she runs. I don't even know if that will mix. Gotta make sure we get right in the circle. All right, guys, got the stack all mounted up. It's looking really good right now. I kind of like how it's a little bit above the cab, you know, somewhere up here. So we're gonna start this thing up, see what it sounds like. Probably try to get a couple different angles for you. It's looking nasty already. I love how you can see it, you know, right here through the window. Oh yeah, this is looking good. All right, guys, we got to see if this thing rolls a little bit of coal, but first, you got to make sure, if you ever see the Baja Blast in the store, just buy it. It's delicious. I'm gonna hate this. All right, guys, got a couple different angles. Let's see if we can hear this thing. It's actually kind of quiet in the cab. So let's get out and hear this thing. It's kind of rattly. the exhaust. Check for me.
Oh yeah.
You don't want to blow your exhaust. That's not a good day. All right, guys, I got a very valid question to ask you guys. You guys really thought I was gonna drill a hole in the bed? No, I ain't drilling no hole in the bed. What? We did a little bit of rigging right here to try to see what this stack would look like, but it didn't really work that much. But I'm gonna use this thing in the next video right there, and that is actually why I bought the stack. All right, guys, let's check the damage. Oh yeah, that's blown. I kind of like that. We'll just leave it. You know, sometimes you would just need an easy. Ooh. We just need an easy stack removal kit. It's a quick release. Check out all the options. Hey, factory, that's custom right there. Yeah, it's time to get rid of this thing. It was not worth the eBay purchase, but she's solid. It ain't going anywhere. Kind of like it. All right, guys, this was honestly just a complete joke video. I'm gonna take this tip and I'm gonna hold it kind of where I think it should go. Yo, boss, you want to hold the camera?
I'll be there in a minute.
Man, that boy has a
That's my
long
dude
neck.
Jesse. He's cameraman for the day. All right. This is kind of what I want to do for the next video, so y'all stay tuned for that. If you have any interest in that, or some more Baja Blast or anything like that, make sure you guys stay tuned to Nasty Nate. Right now, subscribe in the bottom corner. We'll see you in the next one.